You are going to love the 2016 Audi S3. The Audi S3 comes standard with the Quattro all-wheel drive system and offers the control that you'd expect out of it. Couple the control with the power the Audi S3 provides, and you have a vehicle that is truly a joy to drive. Take a seat inside the S3 and you'll see an interior that's refreshingly simple, yet extremely refined, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated and cooled front seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.